Here from TechWorld with Preet. Today we have an exciting opportunities for developer, machine learning engineers and anyone who is interested in generative AI. Oracle is offering a free generative AI professional certification in 2024. It costs regularly $245, but until 31st July 2024 it's free. This official certification validates your expertise in utilizing Oracle Cloud infrastructure to build and deploy powerful AI models. For developers, earning this certification showcases your skill to potential employers and sets you apart in the job market. For student and job seeker, this is a fantastic opportunity to expand your knowledge and boost your employability in booming field of AI. That's best, right? It does not cost a dime. So why not unlock exciting career opportunities or gain a valuable learning experience in the world of generative AI? This is a fantastic chance to validate your skills and gain valuable knowledge in this rapidly growing field. The link is shared in the detail. As you can see, you will have 2 attempts to get this clear, and this offer is valid till 31st July. So this is the course detail which we have to do, and this is the section where we can see the pricing information, but for this till 31st July it is free. And then we have this option. So total 40 questions are there and the passing score is 65. Here some of the details related to these exams are given. So you can go through this and obtain more information on this thing. And the course detail you can find once you click on this link. And additionally you have some exam topics to review, and more important thing here is to do the registration and take the exam. So you have to click on this and get it registered. If you pass the exam you will get this certification. So as we have seen, for going to this course you can click on this link, become a OCI generative AI model. I am happy to answer any questions you might have, or if you think of anything else to add, just let me know. So this is the welcome page. Okay, here you can see the information for OCI generated AI certification course, and it will give you more information like upon completion of this learning path what all courses and understanding you will be having. So pause for a while and see and read this entire detail carefully, and after this thing you should be getting this certification which is valid till 31st July. You can also click on this video. If you scroll further, for this exam there are 4 sections. The first one is having the information for the entire course of 6 hours. The second one is going you mock exam information how to do this. The third section will be having the 25 mock questions, and the fourth place is where you have to do the registration. Until you will not do the registration you will not get the active link for this thing, and you can schedule your details. You can click on register now to get it registered and log in with your Oracle account. Click on the sign in button and provide the necessary detail. If you do not have any account, create a free account and do it. I already have an account, so I will click on the sign in option and it will navigate you to this sign in page. So provide all your credential here and click on the next button and give the password for this screen. I will recommend you that you can do your both the things together, like you will start parallelly reading your course detail from the OCI Generative AI Professional, but at the same time you can do the registration, because till 31st July only this certification is free and you have 2 attempts, right? So let's say hopefully you will get clear in the first exam, but in case if you are not, so you can utilize this time to get it ready for the another exam, right? So consider this thing in your mind. You can do a schedule, and also once you start doing the registration, the schedules times are given with a limited time slot, so you have your convenience to choose a specific date. Sometime it happens, let's say you want to do a specific slots for Monday and you are not getting for one day, so don't wait for Monday, go for a next date and so on. Okay. Let me know if you have any question or want to add more information. Please write in the comment section and I will provide you guidance for same. After you do this, you can see here the login details will be available and you can see all this thing. As I have already passed this exam, so I am getting all this section as free and I can see here the detail as passed and the view details. But the same information you have to do to get this registration. Once you do the registration, you can schedule your timing also when you want to give this exam. During the exam day, your this link will be open from the start button and you can see this page. Here 5 steps are there. First you have to download and run this exe, test it from the browser and then click on this option to get it as a secure, and finally the step to start the exam. So once you click on this start exam, the Oracle team will take you to the another window, the Zoom window, and they will monitor you and they will ask you to provide some identifications. So you have to keep one identification related to your information ready. Also make sure that the login ID what you are using in this Oracle application, it should match with your identification. So your first name and last name should match with the email ID what you are trying to explore here, right? So once you are doing this account creation, make sure these informations are consistent. If you know someone interested in exploring the generative AI, share this video with them. The more the merrier on this journey. Thanks for watching and best of luck in your generative